Guys, did you know that there are a number of settings in your YouTube channel or for your YouTube channel that you can adjust to optimize the number of views that you get, or to get more views, I guess I should say. I didn't know this. I found this out last night from watching a YouTube video. For instance, you can toggle on or check the country which you're filming from. You can also use more than one thumbnails for a video, just to test to see which thumbnail brings in the more views or the most views. There's so many of them, and when I get inside, we'll go over a couple of them together. YouTube channel settings that can help you optimize your channel or help you to get more views. Number one is your home screen. Currently, when people visit your channel, what they'll see is the shorts on your home screen for your channel. They'll see the shorts above your long form videos. For you to change that, you want to go into your YouTube studio. Okay, so you're going to log into your YouTube account, go to your YouTube studio. You want to go to customization, which is down here on the left, over here on the left. Click on customization, click on home tab. And as you can see, you have the For You, which is YouTube's recommended videos. I would leave that if I were you. You have usually the short form videos is above videos and then videos. I already adjusted mine. So usually this is what you'll see. You'll see your shorts above your long form videos. You want to switch that around so that when people visit your channel, they see your long form videos first. So all you have to do is drag it. Okay, so now when people visit my channel, my YouTube channel, what they'll see is my long form videos above my short videos. Okay, if you do make this adjustment, just remember to click on publish. Okay, this didn't show up for me because I already made the adjustment. The second one is your country of residence. Also in your YouTube studio, what you want to do is click on settings, which is over here on the left. Click on channel, and here on the basic info, you can select your country of residence. Okay, mine is the United States. I already said it. All right. The third one, the third setting is actually right here, keywords. It's really good to put the keywords for your channel, right? That applies to your channel and what you're talking about and what your channel is about in here. Apparently, it doesn't make a huge difference, but every little bit counts and helps. If you do make this adjustment, just remember to click on save, okay? It's not saved until you do that. The third one is watermark, okay? So how do you get to watermark? Watermark is, it will appear on each of your video, okay? So like um, the subscribe icon. So again, you're in YouTube videos, you go to customization. On the profile, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and over here you'll see at the bottom you'll see video watermark. Okay, and I uploaded this watermark for subscribe. Okay, on the right of that you can see your watermark can appear at the end of your video. It can appear at a custom start time, so you can set it how you want, or it can appear on the entire video. I set it to appear on the entire video. And just so you know, if you're wondering where I got the watermark, I created this in Canva, which is super easy. All right. So number 4, I think that was 3, is blocked words. So, you know how sometimes in your comment section, especially if you have a lot of subscribers or a lot of people are commenting on your videos, you'll get a lot of spam, right? So if you're getting a lot of spam in your comment section, you can set the block words feature to hopefully stop those spams and possibly, offensive comments. So again, in YouTube Studios, you'll go to settings, you're going to come to community, click on community. You're going to scroll all the way down to blocked words. And here you are, blocked words. And in here, you can type in the words you don't want in your comment section. Okay, I don't have anything because I don't have that problem yet. Hopefully, I won't, but I didn't put anything in here yet. Whenever you make a change, just guys, remember to click on save, okay, or publish. Guys, you can also create a clickable link that prompts viewers to subscribe to your YouTube channel. You can put this link in the description of your videos or the bio of your channel or share it on social media. And this is how you do that. You would go to your YouTube channel, copy the link. Okay, you're going to open a doc. You're going to paste the link from your YouTube channel, and then you're going to add question mark, sub, underscore, confirmation, equal 1. Now, with this link, every time a viewer click on this link, a box will pop up prompting them to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Right? It's a good way to remind people to subscribe to your channel. Okay, guys, so there you go. Those are 5 settings for your YouTube channel that you can turn on or off to optimize your channel to get more views, just to streamline your channel. Okay, and that one tip, which I think is a great tip. I'm using all of these myself. So as always, as I learn, I'll share. Thank you guys for being here. Enjoy your day.